Hello guys, so today we'll be talking on how to build this bank. I would say this online bank is every developer's dream. Let me just come with that first. It's every developer's dream because why would you have everything you want in a bank in one script? You are not looking to recode or rewrite any code. Everything is just perfect. Now, why do I say that? That's what we are trying to get into right now. Why I said that. Now, we will start from the scratch, observe everything, then before we go into building it. Now we start with the signing up. We look at the emails that comes before we go into the dashboard and so on. Let's just go on the right. So let's create an account. Yeah. Say this. Say this. Let's say. Let's correct that. So come here. Let's put tests. Come here. Let's put. I don't know what's this number. Let's put this. Let's say check-ins. Let's put a pin for this. And nests. Okay. All right. So I just got the email on my phone. I'm going to open it here. Go straight to my inbox. All thanks to the host we are using too for going straight to your inbox. And also the write-up, I don't think it contains a lot of too many suspicious things that will make things go into a spam. So this is it. Let's see, verify. It has the verify here. So verify email address. Do that immediately. Very good. Takes us here. So put in the tests email, our password. Okay, very good. It's taking us to verify the account itself. So come here, click on accept and proceed to verification. So we are doing this from the scratch, like looking at all the process of this bank before going to how to build it. It's a very simple process. The bank has everything. Yeah, so go to come here, let's just put random things. Random numbers. Before I continue, this video is strictly for education. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Let's just put random things here. So come here, put demo. Okay, so I have a street. According to these things, I have a street. Let's see demo. Next of kin. Demo. Okay, let's see this. I'm again it's okay here. So let it be demo. International passports. Let's put this. Let's just put random things from the. All right, so we'll do this. Do this. Do this. Then take it down. Submit application. Okay, title. I think I did this. I'll come down, submit the application. Okay. Some things we skipped. What did we skip again? Okay, now it's going through. Very good. Very good. So I think that KYC is already on. Now let's go to our admin. Now this is our admin here. Now let's go to our admin. So do this is our admin here. Admin mail.com. This should be like so. Let's log into our admin to verify. Yes, we have to verify this user from the admin. This is us. Okay, we'll go to new user applications to verify new user applications. We are going to be looking at all of these things and their functions. Okay, so I think it should be one of this. Let's use this application. All right, action verify. So accept and verify. You can choose to send, or you can choose to even reject it, but we are accepting here. Accept and verify. You can choose to send a long email why they are verified or why they are not verified. So you click on confirm. The good thing about it is that once you set up your SMTP, all the emails go. You can even choose to send emails to everybody in the bank, like every single user in this particular online bank. You can choose to send like a bulk email to everybody. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. To see verified. Look at verified. This is to inform you that following documents have been verified. You can now enjoy all the services and so on and so forth. Now let's continue our exploration. So come here, let's refresh this. Okay, let's wait for that to come. All right, so let's go. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Taking us back to the pin. Verify. Very good. Now, welcome to our dashboard. As you can see, this dashboard, I believe, and you also believe, you also know that this dashboard is the most beautiful bank dashboard you have seen, ever seen. Now, look at what we have here. Look at all our functions. We have the place for the profile picture. As you know, we have not placed any profile picture here yet. We have as you can see, we have the place for the pictures. We have the available balance. We have it also with we have the available balance. We have transactions, we have cards, we have local transfer, international transfer, deposits, loan requests, IRX tax refund, the loan history, the settings, and the support ticket. So with this support ticket, basically, you don't need to even put, you don't necessarily need a live chat unless you just want to use a live chat. With support tickets, people can open a ticket and you respond to them also, just like what you do in live chat, but this is quite different here. So we have the settings. With the settings, you can update your profile and so on and so forth. We are going to be looking at the main things here, which is the transactions. We don't have a transaction yet, so there is no transaction there. We take a quick look at the cards. The cards where you can apply for cards, you can apply for different kind of cards. Yeah, so like I said, we don't have any transaction yet. So let's look at the cards. You can apply for different kind of cards. You can apply for the Master's card, the Visa card. Look at how beautiful this interface is. It's even telling you the process. Number one, apply. Number two, activate. Number three, views. It's even telling you all this process. So let's click on apply. Let's see what we have on apply also. So now we have, as you can see, very beautiful interface. As you can see, so we have the Visa, we have the Mastercard, we have the American Express. You can choose any of these ones, at all. The American Express, the level of the card. You have the daily spending. You can see the max is $10,000 for the daily spending. The billing address, the insurance fee, so on and so forth. So you can set all of this from even the admin. You agree, then you go on, then it is verified from the admin and they have their card. Now let's look at the local transfer, the international transfer, and the deposits. Now these are the main functions of a bank, of an online banking. Every other one is just an addition. Now we'll first go to fund our accounts. Now let's go to manage users. Let's go to the particular accounts we're looking at to fund. Now let's go to actions. As you can see, fund debit account, fund as credit or debit accounts. Now this is a very important part, because this part you can use it to form your transaction history. This part you can just use to fund your account also. Now this is it. We'll look at how you can use it to fund your transaction history, and you can also use it to fund your transaction history, and you can just use it to fund your account. Now let's say we want an amount inside. Let's just write an amount. Account balance, that's what you want it to go. Obviously, this type of account. As fund is credit, debit is to remove from the account, credit is to add. Yeah, so we say international transfer, local transfer, or crypto, anyone we want. Now let's call this international transfer on a short form. Let's put a date here. We put this date. Okay. The email. So now this is it. When you are using it to form transaction history, you don't need an email. You don't need to send like an email, like a transaction. And this is the reason I say this is the dream bank of every web developer out there, because these are the things people look for in scripts and say, okay, it's not in this script, but it's in this script. Okay, I have this function in this script, but this other function I'm looking for is on another script entirely. So you now have to start choosing between which one you use. But this one has all of it. Think about any kind of function you want from a bank. It has it. The transaction. Now, before I start going from one place to the other, before I start going from one place to the other, let me just focus on this one, so that you understand. Now, if you are using it to fund, maybe a new user comes to the account and you want to fund them and you want them to receive a credit alert, you can say, okay, yes, you want to send an email. But if it's just for transaction history, because you are going to be creating more than one, you say no, so that you don't start receiving those things here. Or it's your choice, basically. You can still also use it. As you can see, you can backdate here. This way you can actually backdate or any whatsoever you want to do. Now, based on I'm using it to fund, basically I'm putting yes. So we are going to be seeing the kind of what's it called email we get also. So come here, okay, and wait for the email. Look at it, credit alert. I don't know how many thousand or a million, if that is a million USD. Very good, countries. Thank you. You understand? You see how simple this thing is? It's coming straight to the inbox because it is very simple. Not too much CSS designs here. Just the logo, good write up, the arrangement. I mean, straight up. Now let's refresh our dashboard. This is the user dashboard. Now let's refresh our user dashboard. Now we have a balance of $1 million. Now let's transfer. Let's see. But before we transfer, I want to introduce you to one of the premium qualities of this bank. Now we have done approved KYC. We have done approved KYC. We have done funding of the accounts. Let's see. You can change the profile pictures here too. You can set the password. Now I think by default the account is dormant. So we can turn off the dormant account. That's, you don't want transfers to go. Turn off the dormant account to make it an active account. Yeah, turn on. So you can also clear accounts. You can also see the login activity. Can edit the details of the account. You can send email to this particular account. You want to send email just to this particular user. Good. As you can see, subjects, this and that, send email, goes through. Like I said, once you set up the SMTP, everything goes. You can block this particular account. There is no logging in when you block the particular account. Yeah. So let's go to the next part, the transfers. Now, the transfer codes and OTP. That's what I want us to look at. I might not come back to this place. So as you can see, this website information, once you change the bank name here, so I would quickly go through this. Once you change the bank name here, you are good. You change the title here, you are good. You change the keyword here, you are good. Then the site link, you put it here, you are very good. So the only thing you have to do in this bank is to set up the EMV and get access to the admin. Once you set up the EMV, get access to the admin, you set the rest things. This is where you set your SMTP to. You see here and there. But now let's go back to why we're actually here, the transfer codes. Look at the transfer codes. Now, this is one reason I say this is the bank everybody wants. Why? You can come here and say you only want the OTP to go. You don't want any other code. Number one, that's the first function, first quality. Number one, that's first quality. You can say you don't want any other function to go, you just want the OTP. You come here, you turn on the OTP, you turn off the rest. You update it. Now, very good, yeah. You can say you want OTP and the rest to go at once. You come here, okay, this is transfer code. You come here, you turn on the rest, you turn on everything, and you update. That's one. Now, number two, when an online banking is created for you, now think about it that you can come and change the name of this code without asking the developer to start changing it for you. You have a new idea on your school project for the name of the code or something, or you want to show someone a sample, you can change the code whatsoever you want. Now, that's not just the thing. You can change the message that the code brings on, the meaning of the code and stuff. While you are imputing this certain code, you can change it in this bank too. This is insane because I've experienced a lot of online banking scripts and most of these things are not there. So you come here, you clear this, you put your name, whatsoever name of the code you want to put, you put it there, you are good. You update, you are good. So right now, this is some names I don't really know. So let's put IMF here and put here, we'll say IMF. And the funny part is it changes around the whole place. So very good. We have our transfer codes, IMF change, everything is changed. So right now we are using only the OTP. Okay, this is our bank. So let's send out 100,000. Come here and say beneficiary. I put some beneficiary name, test, ENF, account number, put some random numbers. Remember, we have removed the bank from dormant, so it's active. So it's active now. Hallelujah. So let's say bank name. Let's say USA Bank. Let's say demo. Transaction pin. We had it before. So we preview the transfer. Just like your normal bank. You preview transfer before you actually. It's not like the other online banking. It just goes on. You preview your transfer, then goes on. Then we are expecting an OTP code. Yeah, because I turned on that OTP. So let's come in and see OTP. The one from 0 minutes ago. That's what I'm looking for. 0 minutes ago, yeah. So let's copy, paste it, and confirm. Very good, very good. These are how our receipt looks like. Very good receipts. download your receipt, print it, you go back to your dashboard. As you can see, it looks really good. It looks really professional also. Go back to our dashboard or print. The same thing you get when you print, basically. I want us to go through the transfers, which we have just done. And I've made you understand how the transfer works. Same thing for international. If you want those codes to come outside, and where you can get those codes, this is where you can get those codes. Manage users. Then you go to the particular account. Yeah, as you can see. So as I turn that in there, change it there, so it also changes here. So you don't have, there's nothing confusing about it. So you come here, look at the codes when you want to use them for your transfers. So let's go back to our user dashboard. There's also the part of deposits. Before I go to deposits, your transfers can either be in crypto, especially the international transfers. You can actually have a crypto transfer. You can actually have a crypto transfer. So you can actually just say you are sending BTC to someone. Let's see, from your bank, you are sending 1,000 BTC to someone. So you see, it's crazy. You have the BTC, you have the ETH, you have the, let's just put the random wallet. Let's just put random something. So transaction pin. Let's see demo. You see BTC. So this is a dangerous thing, because I don't know whether if to use the word dangerous, because if someone shows someone a receipt like this, I sent you Bitcoin from my bank. If the person on the other end doesn't know about some things like this, it's quite dangerous. So basically, this video is also making people aware that things like this are all over the internet. So you should be careful of receipt and stuff you get from people. Yeah, so this is now what it looks like on the receipt. Now the wallet address is here. This is just a random wallet address. Now the wallet address is a BTC native. That's what we just, the network is BTC native. So you show someone like this and say, okay, this is my receipt for my bank. I sent you the crypto. It might be believable to some people. Yeah, so when you don't know that these kind of things exist. So now we have looked at international transfer. There are other options here. The BTC, the wire transfer, a lot of other options. Now we want to go to the deposit. As you can see, Cash App, more. There's Zelle, there's Venmo, there's Revolut, and more. There's PayPal. So you can add them from the back end, from the admin, and you can choose to remove them. Funny enough, you can choose to remove them from the admin. Somewhere around payment settings, you can choose to remove them also. So before we go to deposit, let's see what we have here. Okay, why is loading up? Let's do deposit quickly. So we want to deposit 1,000,000 with bank transfer. If it's with bank transfer, the bank that you put on this thing will appear. If it's with paper, the one you put with paper will appear. If it's with Bitcoin, the one you put, the address you put on Bitcoin will appear. But let's try it for bank transfer. Good. Look at, so if you say let's just submit something random, and so that we can approve it and we can see what's happening. Say this, submit. So we'll come here, say user deposits. Oh, sorry, this is, yeah, this is where you can set all those things. Payments, yeah. So go to user deposits. This your scheme. So let's see it. Let's see it. Okay, even the receipt came with it also. This is the receipt. So come here, back. Okay. Process. So we have seen the receipt now. Let's go and process it. Let's say, okay, received. It has been processed, as you can see now. If you go to our user interface, nobody can take my own from you. We go to our user interface, we go to our dashboard. We go to our dashboard, we should see our new balance. Not like the shoe, just our new balance, like our new account balance. Very good. Our new account balance is updated, as you can see. And everything we have been doing also, as you can see here, also here, we go to our transactions. Transactions is on here. So we go to transfer transactions. Which are transactions we look for the ones we are looking for, the exact ones we're looking for. Make it so there's also a part that you can actually view. So for instance, we want to reverse something. Well, let's say we want to reverse, how much is this? How much was sent here? We want to, that's 10,000. Now what we're doing, we'll come here, we say on hold, or we say reject, or we say on hold, or you say on hold, whatsoever you want to use. You come here, you put the dates, you process it, or you say on page, you can put it on hold, you can put it on page. When you reverse, you can also send an email and say, okay, this has been reversed for this reason, and you move it from the amount. So this is a online banking that this is an online banking that you can also reverse transactions on. So it is wide, it is well like written. The codes were well written and very arranged. So you can also come here. So we have done the local transfer, international transfer, I've done deposit. You can also use it for loan requests. The loan history is on that. We have looked at settings, we have looked at support tickets. Now it's time to go into how to actually build this bank. Yeah, so this is the mobile view. As you can see, it's giving in on the mobile, it's still giving on the desktop view. Let's scroll down. Now, need help? Contact. It takes you to support tickets. Very good. So now let's look at how to build this bank, step-by-step process to build it. So number one, you should know that it works on an 8.1 PHP version. So first of all, get your cPanel. As you know, I'm using my public HTML here. The few information you should, like I said, all you have to do on this script is set up your your env, your .env file. Once you set up your .env file, you are good to go. Let's do. If you take why this is going on. Why this is going on? Let's do our okay. Let's set up our MySQL. So let's say DB grant bank for 2. Yeah. Let's make this something shorter. So just follow my process on how I create my database if you want, but it's not necessary because the env is arranged. Just go there and put in so you can actually know which is which, your database username or your database name itself. So most of the times when we do database like that, make everything identical to the passwords because most of the script when it comes and to make it easy for people too, you cannot really identify which is the DB, which is the password, which is so they also put it like that. But this is arranged. This is downloading. Let's take that in away. Very good. So we'll come here. Let's close this. All right, our page was having issues, so we'll come. Let's reload. Is that thing still downloaded? Okay, I didn't cancel it actually. Let's come here, select all. Now, if you are using a fresh public HTML, this one should not concern you. This brand.all all these ones should not concern you. These are like subdomains, yeah. Or let me do some. So there are subdomains, yeah. So this one should not concern you. These branches. This is what we just extracted. So come inside here, select all, move to public HTML itself. Very good. Very good. So come here, come to our wizard, copy. The SQL comes with the file. So you can come here and download it first. Or just your .env. Let's set it up so that we'll know what we're doing. So come here, set, paste, paste. On God, paste and save. Then don't forget this link. You have to change this link to your actual PHP admin. Just follow me how I do what I do, PHP admin, then we take it here. So this is my actual my bank my link, my demo link. So I'm putting my demo link there. So I take it and put it here. Save. I'm good to go. Cancel this, come inside your file manager, come to SQL and download your database. So come to here, wait for that to download. Come here and here's what you just created. Just created a short database. Yeah, okay. I think that was the one we just opened. This is it. So come here and we'll click on import. We'll import the SQL we just downloaded. So all you just need is the file. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you how to get the file. Download, come here. This is what you just downloaded. Come and click import. Okay, so it took a while to what was it called? It took a while for our SQL to upload, network ish. But now we have our bank on our main link. Now, like I said, this is all you have to do. Connect your ENV and you're good. Go to let's say admin, yeah, slash login for your login link. No, not PHP, just login. Login. You see your login link, then you come to your I forgot. You can create more than one admin inside this admin actually. You can create, you don't need to create it from MySQL here. You can go and create it from the admin itself. Yeah. So you choose to give one person this part of the admin, give another person this part of the admin also. So you can actually do that. So this is your admin email and this password is 126 by default. Yeah, so you come here, okay, this is the link and this is to get access to this script. You can send me a direct message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on this screen. My WhatsApp number is also in the description, or you can just download it through the download link in the description. Download the script and get access. You can change everything from the admin. The colors you can change from the admin, the names, everything you can change from the admin. So all you have to do is to set up your database and get access to your admin. Everything you can change from the admin. Even the theme, if you don't like this design, you can change it to another design in the same admin. So it is a very powerful script. So it's thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.